Hello! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on your smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the FITBIT application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Actually, let me quickly close it and reopen it. Like this. Okay, and once you open the application, you will see Today page. Now tap on the icon in the top left corner. Right here to open the, to open the connected to FITBIT. And on this page you will see list of devices, and on it you will see your Charge 6. Tap on it. And here we have a settings page for our Charge 6 smartband. And on this page you will see the gallery option. Tap on it. Now tap on clocks. And here you should see the list of watch faces you can install on your smartband. Find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it. As you can see, I have problems with connection, but let's power through it. Come on. Okay, once you select the watch face, you can tap on the install button. It's gonna start installing. Sometimes you need to allow some permissions for the watch face, but this one doesn't seem to require it. So let's wait until it's done installing. And once it's done installing, it will be applied on your smartband, as you can see. And you can also tap on customize here to customize it a bit. You can change the colors. You can enable and disable the heart rate, and you can also enable or disable different metrics on the watch face if you'd like to. And once you're done, you can go back and close the app. Like that. And that's how you change the watch face on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.